Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to move a personal account into Facebook Business Manager. So the first thing we need to do is go right to business.facebook.com, right? So once you're on this page, you want to go right to settings, okay? Right down at bottom here, click on settings. Then we want to scroll down here to business settings, okay? Just click on it. Well, so once you open business settings, you want to scroll down to accounts right here, okay? Just open it up and go to ads account, right? So we're gonna open our ads in ads manager right here. So you click on open in ads manager. We are looking for this number right here, right? This number. You can get this number in different methods. So you can just copy it from right here. Okay. So once you copy it, you want to go back to business settings, all right, and make sure you're on your right business account. Okay. Once you're back on business settings, we want to go back to add account. Okay. Click on it. Then this is where we can add a new add account. All right. Click on add. All right. So it says right here, request access to another account. On this account presently, I can only request access to another account. But for you, what you want to do is click on add account. Okay. Once you click on add account, it's going to bring out another menu. Then you're going to input the code that you copied from the ads. Alright. Then you're going to input the code here. You're going to follow the prompt, and that's the easiest way to add an ad account to your Facebook. Okay. If you click on add and it doesn't give you an option right here to add another account, that means you're not the main person in charge of the ad account. But if you're in charge of the ad account, you created everything yourself, you'll be able to add an account. But if you're not in charge of the ad account, what you want to do is request access to another account. Okay, just click on it, then input the ad accounts that you copied that you want to manage, and click on manage campaigns, full control, then confirm. Okay, so once you confirm, it sends a message to the person in charge of the ad account, so you can gain access to the ad accounts that way. So if you gain something from this tutorial, let me know. Leave a like and comment in the comment section whatever you don't understand, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.